Hey guys, how's it going? Fix It with Jeff Radke. So we've got the trailer. It's up on the truck now. And I just got to get her polished. Couple little things to do here and there. But get her polished and she's ready for the show on Tuesday. So the National Truck Show is going to be in Reno. Just to let you know. Alrighty. So here she is. She's up and ready to roll. All finished. There's some little things we got to do still. Hook up air conditioning and things like that. But we'll do that when he comes back. A little bit here and there. Got her all ready to roll. Oh yeah. Nicely. Nicely done, nicely done. Got to get the dust off and the mud, and so it's ready to roll. So, and then another step has to go on the other side too. That's on back order. So just a quick update. All the way to the front. Engine's all dialed in, painted. Show you the inside real quick. It's got a Kenworth interior. The design was a little more fancy than the Peterbilt. Alrighty guys, that's it for now. Have a nice day. We'll talk to you soon. Fix It with Jeff Radke. Subscribe and like. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.